हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आपका स्वागत है हमारे एनसीईआरटी के खास लाइव इंटरेक्टिव कार्यक्रम में। इस वक्त आप देख रहे हैं प्रधानमंत्री eVidya चैनल नंबर 6 और हमारा यूट्यूब चैनल एनसीईआरटी ऑफिशियल। मैं हूं कुसुम प्रसाद, आपका स्वागत करती हूं इस कार्यक्रम में। और आज स्टूडेंट्स हम पढ़ने वाले हैं मैथ्स। क्लास 6 के स्टूडेंट्स पढ़ेंगे मैथ्स प्लेइंग विद नंबर्स पार्ट 5 पढ़ेंगे, जिसमें हम एलसीएम के बारे में जानेंगे। और इसको पढ़ाएंगे हमारी एक्सपर्ट मिस स्वर्णलता शर्मा मैम, जो कि टीजीटी मैथमेटिक्स हैं, डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद केंद्रीय विद्यालय प्रेसिडेंट स्टेट न्यू दिल्ली से हैं। तो मैम आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है, नमस्कार।
थैंक यू कुसुम जी। हेलो।
और स्टूडेंट्स, यदि आज के सब्जेक्ट से रिलेटेड यानी मैथ्स से रिलेटेड प्लेइंग विद नंबर्स जो हम आज पढ़ने वाले हैं उससे रिलेटेड यदि आपके कुछ भी प्रश्न है, कोई भी क्वेरीज हैं, तो आप बेझिझक निसंकोच हमसे कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं और अपने प्रश्न भेज सकते हैं हमारे विभिन्न माध्यमों के ज़रिए। यानी आप हमें कॉल कर सकते हैं 8800440559 पर। इसके अलावा आप हमें ईमेल भी कर सकते हैं dth.class6@ciet.nic.in पर। इसके अलावा आपको पता ही है हमारे YouTube चैनल एनसीईआरटी ऑफिशियल पे भी ये लाइव हो रहा है प्रसारित, तो इसके लाइव चैट में भी जाकर आप हमसे कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं और अपने जो भी प्रश्न हैं आपके आज के चैप्टर से संबंधित प्लेइंग विद नंबर्स पार्ट 5 और एलसीएम के बारे में बताने वाले हैं, आप प्रश्न पूछ सकते हैं। तो अब देर नहीं करते हैं और हम शुरुआत करते हैं आज का चैप्टर और रुक करते हैं मैम की तरफ। मैम।
थैंक यू कुसुम जी।
थैंक यू।
हाँ स्टूडेंट्स, इन द लास्ट सेशन वी स्टडीड अबाउट हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर, है ना, HCF कैसे निकालते हैं। इन दिस सेशन वी शैल स्टडी अबाउट LCM। LCM मीन्स लीस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल। हम उसको दो तरीके से निकालना सीखेंगे, एक तो फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड से और एक डिवीजन मेथड से। और हम एक छोटी सी एक्टिविटी भी करेंगे विच इज़ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग एंड यू विल लर्न हाउ टू फाइंड आउट LCM ऑफ द गिवन नंबर्स, right? So shall we begin? Okay. So what is lowest common multiple? The lowest common multiple LCM of two or more given numbers is the lowest or the smallest or least of their common multiples. Okay. So let us understand with the help of an example. Find the LCM of 12 and 18. The common multiples of 12 and 18 are 36, 72, 108, etc. The lowest of these factors is 36, so the LCM is 36. Here students, let us understand this with the help of a small activity. You can see here what I have taken is a sheet on which I have written the numbers from 1 to 100. You can easily do it yourself. Write 1 to 100 in about 4 slips. You can write here. And what I have to do is I will list out all the multiples of 12. Here, see, I have taken all the multiples of 12. Let us see what are the multiples of 12. 12, then you have 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84 and 96. Are they all multiples of 12? Yes. As you can see, I have removed those numbers from this grid. Okay. Similarly, I have taken one more grid from 1 to 100 and I have taken all the multiples of 18. Kusum ji dekhiye, we have removed all the multiples of 18. 18, 36, 54, 72 and 90. All these are multiples of 18. Now to our surprise we will find that when I just overlap these multiples of 12 with multiples of 18, what do I notice? Only 2 holes are visible. Let me find out what are these. Let me see what are these numbers. They are 36 and 72. Now out of this 32, 36 and 72, which is the least of both the numbers? Least is 36. That means LCM of 12 and 18 is 36. Okay children, now how I did this, let me explain you. We have taken the numbers, see this way. Multiples of 12 are 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84 and 96. Multiples of 18 are 18, 36, 54, 72 and 90. What are the common multiples here? What are the common multiples, Kusumji?
36.
I think, yes, 36, very good. 36 is one of them, and
72.
And 72. Right. We have taken only up to 100. There are, of course, many other common multiples. Here we have got 36 and 72 as the common multiples. Now, what is the least of these two numbers? It is 36. Therefore, LCM of 12 and 18 is 36. Right, children? You can try this activity with other numbers on your own and you will enjoy doing it. Okay? Now, let us see next how to find out the LCM of 24 and 90. This we will learn by factorization. We have the prime factorization of 24 and 90 as 24 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 and 90 as 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. In these prime factorizations, the maximum number of times the prime factor 2 occurs is 3, and this happens for 24. Similarly, the maximum number of times the prime factor 3 occurs is 2. This happens for 90. The prime factor 5 occurs only once in 90. Thus, LCM is going to be 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. That is equal to 360. Let us learn how to calculate this. What are the factors of 24? As you have learned, children, we just find out the factors. 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. Again, I know 2 is able to divide 12, so 2 6 are 12. Again, we can do 2 3s are 6. Now, 3 happens to be a prime number, so we stop here. Okay. Now, let me find out factors of 90. Can I divide this by 2?
No.
Yes.
2
4s are 8 and 1 carry, 2 5s are 10. Now, it is not divisible by 2 as I can see. 4 plus 5 is 9. As we have studied divisibility rule by 3, I think it goes by 3. 3 1s are 3 and 3 5s are 15. Again, I can divide by 3. 3 1s are 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Here we have 3 5s are 15. Okay, so 5 happens to be a prime number. So this way I list out all the prime factors. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Right? And what are the factors of 90? It is 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. So the process is we take maximum number of times 2 is occurring is 3 and 3 is occurring 2 times and 5 is occurring once. So my LCM is going to be 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. So this gives me 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40 and 40 multiplied by 9 gives me 360. So this is the LCM of 24 and 90. This we did with the help of factorization. Okay, children. Now let us look into another example. Here, find the LCM of 40, 48 and 45. The prime factorizations of 40, 48 and 45 are 40 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 and 48 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 and 45 is simple 3 into 3 into 5. The prime factor 2 appears maximum number of 4 times in the prime factorization of 48 and the prime factor 3 occurs maximum number of 2 times in the prime factorization of 45. And we notice that the prime factor 5 appears 1 time in the prime factorization of 40 and 45. So we take it only once. Therefore, the required LCM is going to be 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. That is 720. Okay, children. Another example. Now you can try on your own, and now we will learn the division method to find out the LCM of given numbers. We follow the following steps, children. First step is arrange the given numbers in a line. Step 2, obtain a number which divides exactly at least 2 of the given numbers. In step 3, divide the numbers which are divisible by the number chosen in step 2 and write the quotient just below them. Carry forward the numbers which are not divisible. In step 4, repeat step 2 and step 3 till no 2 of the given numbers are divisible by the same number. Very easy steps. We will perform some examples and you will understand the steps also. Find the product of the divisors and the undivided numbers to get the required LCM of the given numbers. Okay. Now let us look into an example. Determine the LCM of 624 and 936 by division method. Let us see here, children. What we will do is we will take both the numbers 624 and 936 in a line. Okay. Now as I can see, I can divide both the numbers by 2. Yes, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Similarly, 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12 and 2 8s are 16. Again, shall I divide by 2?
Yes.
2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, good, 2 6s are 12, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. Again, I can take it by 2, I think. 2 7s are 14, very good, 2 8s are 16, good, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2 and 2 7s are. Now I don't think you can use 2 for division here. Let me try with 3. Can I try with 3? Okay. Yes, 7 plus 8 is 15, it is divisible by 3. So 3 2s are 6, 3 6 are 18. What about this 117, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 7 is 9. Yes, it is divisible by 3. So 3 3s are 9 and 3 9s are 27. Now, can I find one number 13 2s are 26 and 13 3s are 39. In this way, I have found out all the prime factors of 624 and 936. Now, we have LCM of 624 and 936 will be equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 13 into 2 into 3. We don't have to leave out any factor, children. We have to take all the factors and multiply them. And we find that on multiplication it is equal to 1872. Okay, children, I hope you have understood, and this is a very common method of finding out the LCM. We have to go on finding the common factors and we should divide these numbers and later multiply all these prime factors. That is the method to find out LCM of the given numbers by division method. Let us perform some more examples. Here, find the LCM of 112, 140 and 168 by division method. As you can see, Kusumji, we can use 2 to divide 112, 140 and 168. Similarly, again with 2 I am getting 28, 35 and 42. Again with 2 I am able to divide 28, I get 14, 35 again, because 2 is not able to divide 35, doesn't matter, but it is dividing 42. So 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. Now I can find 7 is able to divide 14, 35 and 21. As a result, I get 7 2s are 14, 7 5s are 35 and 7 3s are 21.
So ma'am, here we can leave it that only 2 numbers are divisible. So you have taken 35.
Yes, we can take at least 2 numbers which are divisible. It need not be a compulsion that all the 3 numbers should be able to divide with that particular number. So LCM of numbers is 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 2 into 5 into 3. That when I multiply, I get the answer 1680. Okay, children? Now, let us see one more example. Find the LCM of 75, 250, 225, 525 by division method. I have taken 4 numbers this time. Yes. And I have seen that 5 is able to divide 75, 250, 225 and 525. And again with 5 I am trying to divide it. 5 3s are 15, 5 10s are 50, 5 9s are 45 and 5 into 21 gives me 105. Now I can see that 3 and 9 and 21 are divisible by 3. Yes, Kusumji? Yes. So 3 1s are 3 and 10 is not able to go with 3. It's not divisible by 3. So I will write as it is, and 3 3s are 9 and 3 7s are 21. So LCM of given numbers will be, children, 5 into 5 into 3 into 10 into 3 into 7. That is 15,750. Okay children, I hope you have understood this method.
बिल्कुल मैम, क्योंकि देखने में ये बहुत सारे नंबर्स लग रहे हैं, लेकिन वो स्टूडेंट्स करेंगे तो डेफिनेटली वो बहुत अच्छे से सॉल्व कर सकेंगे, क्योंकि आप बहुत अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन कर रहे हैं और वो भी अच्छे से सीख रहे हैं हमारे स्टूडेंट्स। डेफिनेटली बहुत सारे एग्जांपल्स।
It is very simple and it is very useful concept children. LCM तो हमेशा कैलकुलेशन में आपको हेल्प करेगा and you must be very good at calculating the LCM. Let us do some more interesting questions which come in competitive exams also. Here, determine the lowest natural number which when divided by 16, 28, 40, 77 leaves remainder 8 in each case. It is not only finding LCM, here something else is also asked. The condition imposed is remainder 8 should be left in each case. So we know that the lowest common divisible number divisible by 16, 28, 40, 77 is their LCM. Therefore, the required number must be 8 more than their LCM. Let us find the LCM. As you can see, the LCM is simple here. We have found out the factors to be 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 2 into 5 into 11. That is 6160. Hence, the required number will be what? 6160 plus 8. So, whenever we divide, we will always get remainder as 8. Okay. Was that interesting question?
Yes, ma'am, very interesting.
Now let us see one more interesting question. The students in a class can be divided into groups of 2, 3, 5 and 6. What is the least number of children this class can have? The least number of children in the class is the LCM of 2, 3, 5 and 6. Numbers are very small.
Yes.
It's easy to calculate the LCM. You can see the factors here, 2 into 3 into 5. So 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. Hence the least number of children in the class is 30. Therefore they can be divided into various groups of 2, 3, 5 and 6. Okay. So practically we can solve many issues by using LCM.
Yes,
here see, there is one more example, Kusumji. A boy saves 4 rupees 65 paisa daily. Okay. Find the least number of days in which he will be able to save an exact number of rupees.
What problems are?
Yes, question is very interesting.
Yes.
The boy is saving 4 rupees 65 paisa means he is saving 465 paisa daily.
Yes.
As 1 rupee has 100 paisa, in order to save an exact number of rupees, he must save in multiples of 100, isn't it?
Yes.
This means that he should save paise equal to the LCM of 465 and 100.
Yes.
Isn't it? Now let us see how we can solve this. We will take the LCM of 100 and 465. We find that 20 times is 100 and 5 into 93 is 465. So LCM is obviously 5 into 20 into 93, that is 9300. Thus the boy should save 9300 paisa. Therefore, least number of days to save an exact number of rupees will be equal to 9300 divided by 465, that is equal to 20. So in 20 days he will be exactly able to save exact number of rupees.
Yes.
Okay. Why we divided by 465, Kusumji, here? Because each day he is able to save only 465 paisa.
Yes.
So if I divide by that the total amount, I will get number of days. Okay.
Yes,
now let us look into another question here. Find the greatest number of 6 digits exactly divisible by 24, 15 and 36. The number exactly divisible by 24, 15 and 36 must be their LCM. So we first compute LCM of 24, 15 and 36 as given here. 3 8s are 24, 3 5s are 15, 3 12s are 36 and 2 4s are 8, 5 is not going, so 5 we carry forward like that, and 2 6 are 12. Likewise again 2 is able to divide 4 and 6 here, so my prime factors are 3 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 3. So let us find the product here. The LCM is going to be 360. Now the greatest number of 6 digits is how much? 9,99,999. Okay. So when I divide this number by 360, I get 2,777. Children, notice that the remainder here is 279. Yes?
Yes.
Is 279 a remainder here? Yes. We are not able to divide further, right? Because the remainder is less than the divisor.
Yes.
So what I should do here is When 9,99,999 is divided by 360, the remainder is 279. Therefore, the greatest number of 6 digits which is exactly divisible by 360 is the LCM of 24, 15 and 36. That is 9,99,999 minus 279. That will give me the exact number, that is 9,99,720. I hope you have understood this question.
Yes मैम, उम्मीद करते हैं कि हमारे स्टूडेंट्स समझ रहे होंगे स्टेप बाय स्टेप्स.
Yes, one more interesting question which very often is seen in competitive exams, children. Understand it, it is a beautiful question. 4 bells toll at intervals of 4, 7, 12 and 84 seconds. The bells toll together at 5 o'clock. When will they again toll together? How many times will they do it in 28 minutes? The bells will toll together at a time which is a multiple of the 4 intervals of 4, 7, 12 and 84 seconds. So we first find the LCM of 4, 7, 12 and 84 as shown here. We can see that LCM is 4 into 3 into 7, that is 84. Thus the bells will toll together after every 84 seconds. The first time if they toll together at 5 o'clock, then they will again toll together at 84 seconds past 5 o'clock. That is at 1 minute 24 seconds past 5 o'clock, because 1 minute has 60 seconds. Okay. Now we have 28 minutes to be 28 into 60, that is 1680 seconds. Since the bells toll together after every 84 seconds, therefore number of times they will toll together in 1680 seconds will be equal to 1680 divided by 84. That is equal to 20. Okay. So
Yes,
we
ma'am.
have 20 number of times the bells will toll together. Okay. Now children, we will have some properties concerning HCF and LCM of given numbers. The properties are mentioned here. Please keep them in mind, they will be very helpful for you. The HCF of given numbers is not greater than any of the numbers. The LCM of given numbers is not less than any of the given numbers. Third property is the HCF of 2 co-prime numbers is 1. Fourth property is the LCM of 2 or more co-prime numbers is equal to their product. Fifth property is if a number say x is a factor of another number say y, then HCF of x and y is x and their LCM is y.
बिल्कुल मैम, आपने ये प्रॉपर्टीज़ बताई, ये प्रॉपर्टीज़ बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं, जैसे आपने बताया ये फिलअप्स में भी आ जाते हैं और ट्रू फॉल्स में भी आ जाते हैं, और ये हमारे लर्नर्स को बहुत ज़रूरी है लर्न करना, जो भी स्टूडेंट्स देख रहे हैं. मैम हमारा समय भी इजाज़त नहीं दे रहा कि हम इस इतनी अच्छी क्लास को जो हम मैथ्स सीख रहे हैं इसको डिस्कनेक्ट करने का, लेकिन हमारे पास वक्त नहीं है मैम, अगले सेशन का भी टाइम हो रहा है.
Just a second, I will give them some homework on the screen so that they can try out the questions. I hope they will enjoy doing the questions. Here we have determine the 2 numbers nearest to 1000 which are exactly divisible by each of them 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Second question, find the smallest number which leaves remainder 8 and 12 when divided by 28 and 32 respectively. Third question, a circular field has a circumference of 360 kilometers. 3 cycles start together and they can cycle 48, 60 and 72 kilometers a day round the field. When will they meet together or when will they meet again? So children can try these questions. I hope they have understood this session. And the chapter is ending with LCM in this.
Yes, ma'am. बिल्कुल मैम, उम्मीद करते हैं हमारे जो स्टूडेंट्स लर्नर्स देख रहे हैं वो ये होमवर्क जो आपने बताया है डेफिनेटली वो करेंगे और हमें करके भेजेंगे और उनको अच्छे से आज ये समझ में बहुत आ गया होगा जो आपने एग्जांपल्स बताए और बहुत अच्छे से समझाया. तो मैम आज आप आए और हमें इतना कुछ सिखाया हमारे स्टूडेंट्स लर्नर्स को, तो आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद मैम.
थैंक यू
स्टूडेंट्स, आप जो आज हमें मैम ने होमवर्क बताया आप करिए और हमें भेजिए, हमें इंतज़ार है आपके होमवर्क का. तो इसके साथ आप कहीं मत जाइए, अभी बहुत सारे सेशन बाकी हैं, हम बहुत कुछ सीखेंगे हमारे लाइव सेशन में. प्रधानमंत्री eVidya चैनल देखते रहिए और मुझे इजाज़त दीजिए, मैम को भी इजाज़त दीजिए. नमस्कार.